guys, and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. Luckily, this driver managed to avoid head-on accident. Tire blowout can be really dangerous, especially if the driver loses control of the vehicle. Check out these two cases.
Jesus.
Look, dude, look. Dude, kadole.
Oh my.
What the f, man?
Wow. Man.
Pedestrians can be really careless when it comes to crossing the street.
Alternative treatments for joint pain. We're talking lasting results using natural biologics. No surgery, no steroids, no...
This is example on how not to change lanes. Pickup driver gets middle finger for passing on solid yellow line. Check out the outcome.
Good. Listen, before you turn right, I have you on the camera, okay?
You gave me the finger in your little truck. Alright, so let me report that motherfucker.
Report that, report,
Alright,
man.
you're a junkie, crackhead.
Listen, stop on turn right, okay?
This hit and run accident happened right before the intersection of MLK and Highview. This is the car that did it. It happened in Mango, Florida, right before Sefner. If you have any information, please contact me through messaging on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, or wherever you are seeing this video.
What do you mean? He said, I can't produce any alcohol, but I can give you approval.
Tailgater started to rage at this driver and soon gets hit with instant karma. This is why you should be focused on the drive.
What's up? Let's go where? You, man. You. Go f yourself. You f. Go.
Jeep loses control and luckily nobody got injured. Camera recorded the driver fleeing the scene after causing an accident.
Filter on the app that you can go home and they'll try to find rides on the way home.
Okay.
However, that doesn't always work. So,
Driver stops and helps to pull out the car from the ditch. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.